Hello, welcome to Brenna's Bargains.
Alright, in today's video we're going to be covering the spring-summer stationery and party. That's 25% off currently right now. It's the 321 party, which has plates, napkins, tablecloths, garlands, and plastic forks. It also has glitter banners and piñatas. These are mostly summer and spring items. But also don't forget, there are the Super Bowl items that are included from last year. That's right. So here's the complete list of the 321 party list. And now we're going to get started with the visuals on the napkins and all the summer and spring decor. So I was doing a live earlier today and it did not turn out the way I wanted to because the internet connection was horrible. So we went to a regular video and hopefully you can see all these way better than the first video. So I'm sorry, I'm probably going to pull it here in a little bit so it won't even be on my channel anymore. But it did have a little bit more visuals than this video has because it did have more of the piñatas in it, and I think it had a tray plate in it from there, but it's all right. It's all good. We have the SKUs, so you have the UPC'S and the list so to cover it. So this is just some visuals that I got in one store, and this store was loaded with visuals. So I will let some music play. And then also in the store had several of the sun care products of the sun care line that's currently at 25% off. I did get visuals of all of that in a basket. I have, I think, everyone except for one on the list. I think it's like maybe the fourth one on the list, and I will put a picture of the list at the end of the video. Also, this video also has all the bug spray or pesticides in it too. The store was loaded with lots of markdown stuff. So also I forgot to tell you that if it's like 75 cents like on the napkin, it's really ringing up like 60 cents. So these items are going to keep marking down. They're going to keep going lower. And I just wanted to let you know that these are future pennies. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at this video. And these are just several visuals to help you out. So when they do penny out, you know what to look for. And double check the clearance section. Check all around the store. I mean, it could still be possibly in the party section in your store with the little tags hanging, or it could be hidden clearance, or it could be in the clearance aisle, or it could be maybe even on an end cap. So just make sure you look around, but these are great visuals for the future. Okay, when I started digging through the box, I was just thinking, oh, I'm just going to do a live video at this point because I might also just grab some things to put it in the video, something that, all the items that were maybe not on the table so that way I can add it to the video. But I didn't give you any of the UPCs or visuals really too much in here. So, but there were red forks and there were some extra little tablecloths and things like that. And I think I found a magnet thing, and I was putting that in the first video, but I really didn't show you, so I wanted to share that with you. So here is the Studio Select Sun Care line that is 25% off. I have all the visuals except for one of them. So here's the list for that. And next we're going to go into the insecticides. And I already had the fogger and the repel on another video. So I just went over the things that I didn't have. And so here's some UPC'S on that. And that is all I have for y'all. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. God bless. Take care. Bye.